Hi, today we're doing a tutorial for 5-1 with special appearances from Math Girl 13 and Kara, who's not in our math class. So 5-1 is on identifying linear functions. So let's get a data table. So using this data table, we are going to consider the question, what makes a linear function? So a linear function is one that if you graph it, it creates a straight line. So let's see if this particular set of data would in fact form a line if graphed. Math Girl 13 will test this by graphing. So let's graph all the points. Now that we've graphed it, we see that it does in fact form a line. Awesome. And take a moment to look at the word linear. L-I-N-E-A-R. Oh my gosh, look at that. Well, it has the word ear in it, but it also has the word line in it. So that's easy enough to remember, right? That's definitely, not that, but that is definitely a straight line. So
if we drew it right.
If we graphed it correctly, whatever. Pretty exact that is. So, if it was in fact drawn correctly, then it is a linear equation. There are more ways to tell if a set of data is going to be linear. Kara doesn't have that much to say in it, so say hi, Kara.
Hi.
There. That's her share for this show. So, as you may know, the numbers on the left side of the data table are called terms. And we're not even going to worry about them right now. These numbers on this side of the data table are the ones that make up the sequence that we're going to be looking at. So, basically what we want to look at is how do we get from that number to that number, and from that number to that number, and that number to that number. Let's go.
I'm going to go write my own.
Okay, bye, Kara. Have a nice time. So, because this is a consistent pattern, we can judge that it will be a linear equation. So that is the second way to figure out if something is, in fact, going to be a linear equation. P.S. This is not a linear equation.
Neither is that.
This has been Identifying Linear Functions. Hope you learned something.